couple of folks here earlier that asked if I could do some Dolly for them. And, well, some of her songs I can't sing at the chapel. But I do have one I can do. Will bring you